everyone, welcome back to my channel Noodle Ninja. So today we're going to learn how to make the trout dinner. So this is another recipe from, you can obtain this from Einar in the Einar's cave. So yeah, I'm going to demonstrate how to make it. So we're going here to select the recipe, and then I'm gonna go choose the high quality ingredients because it have some more benefits. So yeah, I'm going to click the make button and then go here at the preparation table to chop the garlic. Okay, next I'm going to chop the potato. Failed again. Okay, and then here I'm gonna flip over the pan fry. And then going to move here at the oven to make the roasted potatoes. After we collect it, we can add to the ingredients and we're done. So we have now the trout dinner. So that's all for now, guys, and thank you for watching. See you.